Hammertime.
What's up everyone, and welcome back to another Hammertime video. Today I'm going to show you to make this really awesome set of rustic cornhole boards. Stay tuned and let's jump right in. So the first step was to use my circular saw to break down the plywood, and I just set up some sawhorses and did this with my homemade track saw guide. You can check out the video with the link above. Then I used a circular saw and my miter saw to break down all the 2x4s. My brother and I assembled all the 2x4s with 3-inch screws, and then we used 1.5-inch screws to secure the plywood to the 2x4 frames. I then used my miter saw to cut angles for the 2x4 legs, and then I used a disc sander to sand those down. Then I attached them to the cornhole boards with the screws, and then I used a router and a drill bit to cut out the circles. After that I could move on to sanding the piece, and then after that I moved on to finishing, and I used a golden oak stain, and it kind of made this weathered wood look pretty rustic looking, and I really liked the way that turned out. Alright guys, these turned out really great. The rustic looks really nice, and they work really great too, and they look great. And I built everything out of lumber that I already had just on hand, just sitting around. So they look pretty cool, and that you can just do it with scrap wood. It looks pretty neat. And I got these bean bags off of Amazon, and paired with this here, they look pretty good with the stars and stripes here. The rustic look, it looks really classic. So if you want to build one of these yourself, you can look up the official dimensions online. It's easy to find. And if you like the video, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright guys, until next time, happy building.